Getting started with Writesonic for email newsletters.
Writesonic is a versatile platform that helps you create engaging email newsletters in just a few steps. To begin, sign up or log into your Writesonic account. Navigating to the dashboard, you'll find tools designed to generate and customize content for your email campaigns. No technical skills are needed. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to start automating your newsletter process.
Setting up your newsletter project.
Start by creating a new project for your newsletter. Select the newsletter template or choose the email writer feature. Give your project a clear name so you can easily identify it later. This setup step ensures your content is organized and easy to find, making the automation process efficient and stress-free every time you come back to write a new newsletter.
Using Writesonic's AI to generate content.
Enter your newsletter topic, audience, and any key points you want to highlight. Writesonic's AI will quickly generate a draft for you, complete with engaging headlines and relevant body content. You can provide more instructions or adjust your inputs to get content that best fits your needs. Review the generated text and select your favorite version for further editing or direct use.
Customizing and refining your newsletter.
Personalize your draft using Writesonic's editing tools. Add images, links, or formatting to match your brand's style and tone. You can split long content into sections, adjust the messaging, and ensure everything flows smoothly. Before finalizing, double-check details like dates and calls to action. This step ensures your newsletter looks professional and aligns with your goals.
Exporting and sending your newsletter.
Once your newsletter is ready, export the content directly from Writesonic. Either copy it, download it, or send it to your preferred email marketing platform. Many services allow easy integration, making distribution seamless. Schedule or send your newsletter to your subscribers. With Writesonic, the process is fast, reliable, and repeatable for future campaigns.